Good morning, class. Today is our third day of online learning. So let me share my screen so you can see our morning meeting. All right. Good morning, students. It's so good to see you, even if it's virtually. Don't forget to do your morning work, which is writing your name on a dry erase thing that I sent home in your supply bin. That way we can keep practicing writing our names, and do not forget, put the cap on the marker so that it doesn't dry out. So if you haven't done your morning work yet, go ahead and pause the video now, get that done, and join us back for our rules and schedule next. All right, those of you who've done your morning work, good morning. Let's go over our rules again today. Follow directions what? Quickly. Good. Even if you're not at school, you need to be following directions quickly because that helps mom or dad or sister or brother, whoever's helping you with your learning. That makes it easier for them to help you learn. And remember, whose choice is it to choose to be a learner today? It's my choice. It's your choice to choose today that you want to be choosing to be a learner so you can grow your brain to be ready for next year. Okay? So follow directions quickly. Awesome. Be kind when? All the time, not just when we want to be kind, but all the time. If somebody is not using nice words to us, should we use not nice words back? No, we should tell them in a kind voice and in a kind way that hurts my feelings, okay? But if we say unkind words back, that's just going to make them angry too, and it's going to blow up into a big situation that it doesn't need to be. So if someone is not being kind to you, use your kind words and tell them how that makes you feel so they know not to do that again. Okay, so always have your kind heart on. I am turning my kind heart up and on all the way today so I can be kind to my roommates and to anybody that I interact with today, including all of my students. Okay, rule number 3, make what kind of choices? Smart choices or good choices. All right, make sure you're making smart choices, good choices, following the directions quickly, being kind, and choosing to be a learner. It's extra important that you choose to be a learner even at home, even though it doesn't feel like you're at school. Making a choice every day to learn is going to keep growing your brain, and so you can be ready for next year. Okay, so keep up the hard work. Don't forget, if you want to see our rules video, you can go see it on our YouTube playlist page. Our schedule is going to be the same for the rest of the year. We're going to have a morning meeting and calendar video, just like we do every morning at school. Like I said, parents, repetition is the most important thing in kindergarten so they can get used to the routine and they can also get used to numbers, letters, patterns, that kind of thing. So after morning meeting video, we'll have our reading block. I'm going to post a reading video like I do every day. You guys are going to watch the lesson, interact with the lesson, talk back to the lesson just like you would in class with Miss Hussein. And then after that, interact with your centers. Do iRead. Make sure you're doing iRead. If you don't do anything else during reading centers, get on iRead. That is a great tool that is going to meet your student where you're at, and the kids really like to do it in class too. So iRead, practice writing, do all of your centers work. Then take a little break. You don't need to keep going. Give them a break, and then we'll have our math block. I'll post a math video. You watch the lesson, interact with my video, and then after that's done, use your technology. I've heard some people that are on Happy Numbers. Some people are on education.com. Practice writing those numbers. Feel free to send me pictures of your work. Okay, make sure you're doing those centers because that's going to back up the lesson, okay? And then lunch, social studies, and another break. So that is our schedule for today and for all days. All right, students, we are in calendar time. So turn your bodies to the calendar. All right, here we are in April. The month is what? April. Good. And April is what number month of the year? Let's go through our song. January, February, March, April. Oh, I heard April. So we got to stop and see what number is April. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our month is the 4th month of the year, April, and the day, look for our smiley face, students, and tell me what day is today. What number is today in April? Oh, I heard some students say 15. How did you know that was the 15th today? Oh, because the smiley face is on that day, right? And yesterday was 14, so today must be 15. Good. I'm going to go ahead and put that up in our date. What's the first number that comes in 15? 1. What's the second number that comes in 15? 5. Very good. Whenever you do any work today, like your journal or any math worksheets, make sure you put the date on it so you can keep practicing writing your numbers, all right? We just talked about yesterday was the 14th, and yesterday was actually Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, everybody see yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. What does that mean today is? If yesterday was Tuesday, what's the next day after that? Think about our song. What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Good. So today is Wednesday. Everybody say today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I want to hear you saying and repeating after Miss Hussein. So if today is Wednesday, what do you think tomorrow's going to be? What comes right after Wednesday? Oh, what comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Good. I'm going to write Thursday. And notice right here where Miss Hussein's typing, Thursday starts with what 2 letters? What makes TH? So I'm going to start with TH. Thursday. Good job, class. All right, we're going to put another dot on our tens frame to show that we are on another day of distance learning. We are on day 1, 2, 3 of distance learning. We've had 3 days together online. Awesome, awesome. So our tens frame is not yet full, but we do have 3 and we are building up towards 10. Awesome. Our day today was 4/15. There it is for reference. And we have our 3 dots here on our tens frames. So now what we have to do is fill in our what? What is this? What kind of chart is it? It starts with A. Oh, I heard someone say it. Place value chart. This is our place value chart. What is this column? Ones. What is this column? Tens. What goes in this column? Hundreds. What do we do if we have no hundreds? Leave it blank. What do we do if we have no tens? Leave it blank. What do we do if we have no ones? Leave it blank. But do we have ones? Check our chart. Yes, we have ones. So do we have any hundreds? No. Do we have any tens? Check our tens frame. Is that 10 frame filled up yet? Not yet. So we don't have any tens yet. We will. Do we have any ones? Oh, I heard someone say yes. How many ones do we have? Look at our chart. Look at the 10 frame and tell me. 3. I heard somebody say 3. We've had 3 days of school. 3 goes in our ones. So our number is 3. Excellent work, my friends. Once you are done with this video, you can also go onto our YouTube playlist and find all of our counting videos, our days of the week videos, our seasons video that you can watch all on our playlist under morning meeting on YouTube. That way you can listen to the songs we do in class every day during calendar time, okay? Now it is time for our meteorologist to step up. Every day you get to be the meteorologist. So Miss Hussein's gonna go look out her window and I want you to pause the video, go look out your window or your door or somewhere where you can see outside what the weather is like and tell us, okay? All right, Miss Hussein's gonna look out her window. I see sun right now, so I'm gonna say the weather is sunny. The weather is sunny where I am right now. Is that all I need to tell people? If I'm a meteorologist and my job is to tell people the weather, it's sunny. Is that good enough? No, it's not good enough because why? Oh, we also have to tell the temperature. Is it good enough if you're getting up out of bed in the morning and Miss Hussein, the meteorologist, says, all right, folks, it's sunny outside. Would you know if you have to wear a jacket or not? No, you wouldn't. So it's really important for the meteorologist to tell you what the weather's like so you know whether you need to bring an umbrella or you need to bring a raincoat. And also you need to know the temperature. That's because you need to know what kind of clothes to wear. If the meteorologist says it's hot out today, are you going to wear your winter coat? No. If the meteorologist says it is very cold today, are you going to wear shorts? No, because you would be too cold. So Miss Hussein already said it's sunny out. But now I need to decide, is it cold, hot, or warm? Today is it was cool, this morning, and now when I'm recording the video, it's warm. It got a little warmer, but it's not hot yet. You see, I'm still wearing my long sleeve, so it is cool to warm. It's middle temperature. I probably don't need a jacket, but I also am not wearing short sleeves. Okay, so that's it for our weather. You let me know, what is the weather like at your house today? Last but not least, we have our community circle. All right, repeat after me for our morning message. Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I am proud of us for learning in a new way. I am proud of us for learning in a new way. Love, Miss Husey. Love, Miss Husey. All right, on our morning message, we have a special message that needs to be solved. Okay, look over here. I'm circling it with my mouse. Okay, let's read this number sentence together. 2 plus 6 equals. Uh-oh, do we have an answer? Not yet. That means it needs your help. Okay, so 2 plus 6 equals, what is it? We could either draw dots, or we could solve it on our fingers, or we could write a number bond. So if you want to draw a number bond, pause the video. 2 is one part, plus 6 is another part. What is the whole when they come together to the party? You find that out in your number bond. Miss Husing is going to use her hands to count and show you guys one way to solve it, okay? So we're starting with what first? 2, okay? So here's 2. Is the question asking us to add or take away? Look at our number sentence. Oh, that's an adding sign. So I know I have to add more fingers, okay? So I'm starting with 2. How many am I adding? 6. So let's add 6. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I had 2. I added 6. Count how many fingers Miss Husing has up now. 5, 6, 8. How many? 8. That's right. So our answer is 8. I bet if you drew a number bond, 2 plus 6 equals, what would it be? 8. Excellent. All right, now is your time to shake hands or high five with somebody in your house. Tell them good morning. I'm so glad to see you. I'll shake your hand. Good morning. So good to see you this morning. Here's a high five for those of you who want a high five. Good morning. And my question for you today is, what did you have for breakfast? Miss Husing this morning had a muffin for breakfast. I want to hear what you had for breakfast. Tell somebody what you had for breakfast. And if somebody made you breakfast, you should probably tell them what? Thank you. Tell somebody thank you who made you breakfast. All right, after you've answered that question for our morning meeting, you can go on to our YouTube channel, find a brain break that you want. There's the floss on there, there's Chicka Chicka Boom, there's the meatball dance, there's a ton of good ones on there that you guys can do for a brain break now before you start doing our reading lesson, okay? All right, I'll see you later for our reading lesson.